Hey y'all, Iric Guy here, and this is how to jump off a car. You see I've got positive on the car, on the battery that was dead, the positive on the car that's good, and then I've got negative on the car that was dead to negative on the car that was good. The car that was good obviously was running once I connected. Then I started the car that was dead and started up. And I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes, and everything should be good to go when the battery recharges while the car is in motion due to what's called the alternator, which charges most batteries while the vehicle's in motion. There you have it, jumping off a car with a dead battery. Subscribe, stay tuned for more videos like this one. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Iric Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.